simply means counting, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
1 equals 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Doblehin ang 8, tayo'y mag-ocho-ocho, ocho-ocho, ocho-ocho, ocho-ocho na, mag-ocho-ocho, ocho-ocho, mag-ocho-ocho pa.
Math is a system because it deals with different fields.
Isa na lang kulang. Mainit ba, friend?
This is the last time that we met. Be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old and it makes me restless.
Math is also composed with letters, symbols, and words.
Math is a pattern.
Math is everywhere.
For you, what is math? Math? It's the science that studies about logic, numbers, arrangements, etc. And then, do you love math? Can you please define what is love? Yes, I love math. I'm a math. Yeah, I love math. Why do you love math? Because I love numbers. I like counting numbers. I like solving logic problems. Do you love math?
No!
Why?
Kalisod man.
Do you love math?
Yes, we do.
Why?
Hey, where is fun? For one, my favorite subject is math, and I love math it's because it's fun. Even though for others it's not fun, in my case, math is fun because well, I don't really know why, but for me math is fun and it can be used in our daily lives. Yes, that's all.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.